before, but they came in with that.
Okay. It's not that big of a deal. We'll
To him, it is, because he tried to call the police when he don't even have the candy in here.
Baby, y'all gotta shut the fuck up. Y'all keep talking all at the same time. Nobody can hear what y'all saying. This shit is annoying. Oh, what do we have here? All right, this one is titled Police Step In After Toxic Mothers Completely Terrorize Gas Station by Crime Time Cam.
Maybe who on the plaza call?
Where's he at?
Remy?
Yeah, where is he?
Probably his.
1501 North Betty?
The 1501, that's the gas station.
The gas station?
Yeah.
That's not the gas station?
Okay.
They got two gas stations, right? Oh, yeah, they do that dumb shit all the time.
Oh.
Man, you can hear that outside.
Oh, we know him too. Thank you.
What the hell?
Cameras back, please. We came into the store with the candy that she got in her hand. The kids had the candy in their hand. Now all the kids.
God damn, sound like a bunch of hyenas.
Stop.
We came into the store.
Everybody get quiet, but let's go outside to talk, okay?
You want me to apologize for what you saying?
Sure.
We came to the store. Our kids had when we came in.
I can't understand any of you guys.
We came into the store with our kids, okay? Our kids had this when we came into the store. He said our kids stood right here, opened the candy, and ate it.
Okay.
They're big before, but they came in with that.
Okay. It's not that big of a deal. We'll
To him, it is, because he tried to call the police when he don't even have the candy in here.
Baby, y'all gotta shut the fuck up. Y'all keep talking all at the same time. Nobody can hear what y'all saying. This shit is annoying.
But he needs to apologize to our kids, trying to say that they stole the candy and that they opened and that they ate it.
Okay, all right.
And we spent cash. And then he gonna sit there and tell us that because we didn't have EBT, we supposed to leave.
Well, this is giving EBT and Section 8 behavior. The vibes.
We got cash.
We'll get it figured out. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. It's just blow pop. All right.
Listen. Here's what's going to happen, right? We're all going to go outside together.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a conversation about everything
That's
that happened.
it. We'll get it squared
We're not
away.
going to sit in here where we're
Stop
all
touching.
back and forth. He's going to check this guy out. This guy's waiting to leave.
Stop.
We're not going to hold him in. I do.
We told him to go next door. We cared too.
So they've told
We told him to go next door. We cared too.
They told you to leave.
We didn't
You
care.
want them to leave the store?
We'll talk to you guys outside.
If they don't leave the store?
See, that's one thing about me. When somebody asks me to leave, cop, patron, whoever, I'm leaving, baby.
If you don't leave the store,
We'll talk
I'm
to you
going to arrest you all.
outside. We'll talk to you outside.
If you don't leave the store, I'm going to arrest you for trespass.
Why you let that baby come out the side looking like that?
Why we like talking to women, dudes, stuff. For real. Like y'all just, I don't give a okay, shut up.
Right,
Damn. What's wrong with you?
I would never want them in my gas station ever again, bro.
You can handle everything outside like adults, and then we can figure everything
I was like, what his ass doing over there? He don't even look like he's supposed to be over there.
out instead of yelling and screaming. I know, and then we're gonna get through
And to be doing all of this in front of the kids, like, what you think you teaching your kids, man?
everything. I just need him to be able to check that. That guy needs to be able to leave. You know what I mean? Hey.
Oh yeah, she getting arrested.
now.
You relax. We was
Relax.
because evidently you don't get where coming from. So
real,
you relax. You relax.
That has nothing to do with anything.
Is she pregnant or that just gas?
Because you got irritated when we were trying. You relax.
I'm not,
You relax. You relax.
I don't doubt that. Listen, I don't doubt that.
We got money in our
They take you to jail for disorderly conduct in about
I ain't
30
disorderly
seconds.
nothing.
You are. You're yelling and cussing. So you're gonna hush. I'm explaining.
She need to shut up then. How about that? I mean, damn. The cop is been chilling, bro. Y'all been yelling and screaming for like since they got in there. I understand y'all frustrated, but god damn.
You're gonna go to jail.
You walking up on her.
You're gonna go to jail. Now here's the deal. I want to know everything that happened.
I feel threatened.
I'll relax. I want to know everything that happened here.
Okay, but you gotta show respect.
I want to know everything.
And she is right though. She is right though, cause you is a little intimidating. Look how little man looking at you, or a little girl. I don't know what that is, but she is right. Like, come on now, baby. We already mad. You coming in here, imagine our energy is not finna help the situation.
That happened, but I'm not gonna yell and scream in the
That's
store.
fine, but don't walk up on
So
us
start
because
at the
if we walk up on y'all, then
beginning.
y'all would feel threatened.
Start
so
at the
don't walk up
beginning
on me.
and tell me what
We walked
happened.
into the store.
Okay.
The children already had the candy in their hand. Okay.
From out here?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a store over there.
Okay,
the children
good.
already had the candy in their hand.
Okay.
We proceeded to pay for our stuff. He wanted to wait until we leave out the store and say, oh, the children with the candy. So we like, what candy? They already paid for that. That candy, yes.
Okay.
They already had the candy.
Right.
He said the kids opened the candy and ate it in the aisle. How?
But it came from that
But
store.
it came from the store over there. He's like,
I'm going to walk
Yeah, I want to see the body cam footage on that because I lucky believe her.
over there.
I can run it back on the
I'm
camera.
going to walk over there and just check and make sure that they bought it there, and then I'll be right back. You get what I'm saying? And that's why I'm trying to tell everybody to bring it down.
Yeah, because them dumbasses keep yelling in the background. Like, everybody talking at one time, bro. It's annoying.
Huh?
I'm going to go over here.
You're not saying that I'm yelling.
I'm going to go over
you can hear
here.
me, right?
I definitely can hear you.
Okay.
I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to see if that you guys bought that candy from there.
I didn't buy it from there. I think
No,
my
that's
friend
fine.
here had it.
That's fine. There's a bunch of kids here, so I'm going to walk over there, and then I'll come back.
I'm sorry, but these kids shouldn't have to go through no shit like this.
Okay?
Who can tell you Z?
That's what I just told her I'm going to go do.
Go ask Z. Z don't like
Jeez.
kids.
Good Lord.
You work in a barbershop?
There's a couple ladies here, had a bunch of little kids.
Yes, sir.
Did they just buy some candy here from you?
A little boy.
Yeah, one little boy in a white t-shirt.
Yeah, he bought this one. He bought a bubble gum. The little boy bought a bubble gum and he bought this candy.
Perfect. Thank you. How many of those were bought, do you know? One of those was bought, and then a bubble gum? And then there was some other little kids with them too?
No.
Okay, so it was just that one.
Just that.
Perfect. Thank you.
Oh.
All right. So he said that they bought one of the bubble things and bubble gum. So I just asked. So I'm just going to double check and make sure his camera doesn't show something different. And then we're going to move forward with here and we'll get everybody out of here.
You're gonna apologize.
Okay.
That's all we're gonna do.
Well, I can't make him apologize to you.
He said he only bought one. I counted like 2 or 3 of them things.
So, like, okay, well.
What the fuck?
easy.
Why that's the first thing y'all want to do is go to jail. I don't be understanding that shit.
All right, here's the deal. Hey, buddy. Where you at? All right. The neighbor over here sold him candy.
No, that's fine. They buy from there. Doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
I had the candy there to so many. They're playing with that and try to walk with the some candy of that too. And I stop it. Okay, please minor, put it back.
Okay.
Other whatever is yours, you take it. You buy 2 candy, take the 2 candy. Why I'm telling that's the happened.
Okay.
After that, the reason for not the candy because one lady, she was my neighbor the next time on that plaza. She tried to fight with my wife on kids. One night I called for them and I leave this place because I can leave this environment the last year.
Yeah.
She doesn't come by a store like openly like. She came in today with this situation making it crowded. That's the happened. There's nothing wrong with the candy because it's very simple. If he doesn't take it, that's fine. I just tell them, okay, this is your, go ahead, it's fine. That's why I say that took mine as a bet.
Gotcha.
That is the point.
Okay, so you just wanted to leave. That's it.
No, I want to trespass too. I need a paper too.
Okay.
And you see
Decided to throw all of that
all
stuff.
of them from the counter and
They
even
threw
I-
it all there. Okay.
Yeah.
You want them trespassed? The adults trespassed, the 2 women, or the 3 women,
three
and that's it.
women's and all kids. I don't like
Okay.
to let them come in my store.
Okay.
Yes.
You don't like the kids? What the kids got to do with this?
Very easy.
Because they came in next time, they make it again happen this situation.
Sure.
So that's not
He just wants trespasses.
That's
For everybody to be
we
done.
just want apology. We want apology, though, but I don't
Yeah, I'm not getting that.
come over.
He needs to apologize.
I
I
know.
don't come over here. So we gonna trespass because he accused us of stealing.
And we didn't even steal.
We
It's
don't
the
give a fuck. We
disturbance
don't need
and
to
the
serve him.
candy
We
and
just
all
know
that
anyway.
stuff.
We was walking
didn't
out
go
the door.
there.
Listen,
We were
here's the
already
deal.
out the door.
Are you going to give me your names for a trespass warning? Okay, then you need to leave the property now.
We went over there
Listen,
with him. and
he
we
wants
started
you
on the counter.
trespassed. Are you going to give me your name for the trespass warning or no? Then if you don't vacate the property, you're going to go to jail.
Let's go. It's supposed to serve and protect, right?
If you don't leave
Oh yeah, she's gonna get it. She's gonna go to jail because that's what she wants for sure.
the property, I appreciate your opinion. You're about to go to jail. You need to walk. That's fine. I'll be a bad corporal. All right, I'll suck today. I suck.
Jesus Christ.
All right, see you later.
So what do we got, yo?
That's it. Now she's
Now he's saying my slogan.
under arrest. Now she's under arrest.
Hold on, what she did?
Later.
So what do we got, yo?
That's it. Now she's under arrest. Now she's under arrest.
Oh, don't try to water now.
Huh? Yeah, she was trespassed off the property. Stop. Come here.
Uh-oh. She not walking? Is she running?
Wait, why you want to arrest her?
You're
He
under
better
arrest.
leave me
Stop.
alone because I ain't do shit to you. Why you arresting me? Why is he arresting me?
Trespass after
No,
warning.
I only got your information. I didn't trespass shit.
You were told to stay off the property. You came back onto the property.
You don't know what trespassing is. Once you get off and then you step back on, you trespass.
Like the he sucks. You suck. You suck. She is pregnant.
She got a nasty attitude.
It's fine. 25.
She is
I'm not being
pregnant.
right.
She is pregnant.
25 feet.
But she is pregnant. Chill. Let her. Hold.
25 feet.
Stop. The baby.
She been on 10 this whole go around, so she wanted to go to jail.
I don't know herself. She's pregnant.
So what is she going to jail for?
You were told to trespass after warning.
I wasn't on the property.
Walk right
No, she didn't even
All right, come on this way. Stop. You're going to get more charges. Stop. 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 Come on.
You suck.
That's fine.
You suck. You suck.
You're going to catch all these new charges.
You suck.
Have a seat.
You suck.
All of that when all you had to do was just shut the fuck up.
Have a seat. That's
I mean, these body cams just be like showing me like people just don't know how to shut the fuck up.
fine.
You is a bitch.
That's fine.
suck.
Sit down.
You suck.
You can do
You
it here.
suck. You can take my purse off my arm. Don't.
132, 10, 15.
He came out here wanting to arrest somebody.
I got his
You just came up here with the energy too.
No.
She didn't even get on the property. She
went back on the property.
No, she did not. She stood on the road and took a
Okay.
picture of your tag.
It's on body
What are you
camera.
talking about?
North Greenwood South.
No,
Yep.
she was
There
not.
you go. North Greenwood South.
That's right.
Yep. All right.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment as well. What are you guys' opinion on this? Who was wrong in this situation? Do you think the cop was wrong, or do you think the three ladies that was wrong? Please let me know in the comments below. Do you guys feel like the cops came wanting to arrest somebody, or do you feel like the three women brought this up on themselves? Let me know. But that's it, baby. We out.